Hello friends, welcome to Daring Marana YouTube channel. Today we will be discussing about the difference between smoke tube boiler and water tube boiler. So let's discuss about this smoke tube boiler and water tube boiler in detail way. So the basic difference are smoke tube boiler, their rate of evaporation is low, and in water tube boiler the rate of evaporation is high. Then the boiler pressure is low in the smoke tube boiler, but in the case of water tube boiler the boiler pressure is high, and the smoke tube boiler that is less compact. In the case of water tube boiler, thus compact in size. Okay, means space is high for smoke tube boiler. In water tube boiler they are compact in size, and gas flows through tubes and surrounded by water. In smoke tube boiler the gas will flow through tubes and surrounded by water. In water tube boiler water will flow through tube and surrounded by smoke. Okay, smoke tube boiler means here the evaporation rate is low, and here water tube boiler means rate of evaporation is high. In smoke tube boiler pressure is low, but in water tube boiler pressure is high, and smoke tube boiler it is greater in size, that is less compact, but in case of water tube boiler they are compact in size, and gases flow through tubes and surrounded by water. In smoke tube boiler, water tube boiler water flows through tubes and surrounded by smoke. And in the smoke tube boilers are used where steam demand is low, where steam demand is low, but in the case of water tube boiler where they can give steam, used where steam demand is high, and quality of water is not considered much in the case of smoke tube boiler. But in the case of water tube boiler, the quality of water is maintained and required water treatment. Okay, here in water tube boiler the quality of water need to be maintained and required water treatment. In the steam tube boiler, steam storage capacity is more than this boiler is known as timed boiler. Here steam storage capacity is more, so this is known as timed boiler. Here the capacity of steam holding is lesser, so it requires continuous operation. So so the steam holding capacity is less, so it will continue. So this requires continuous operation. Okay, smoke tube boilers are used where steam demand is low, and water tube boilers are used where steam demand is high, and quality of water is not much considered here. In the type of boiler, in the water tube boiler, the quality of water must be maintained and required water treatment. In the case of steam tube boiler, the steam storage capacity is more than the boiler, so it requires timed steam storage capacity is more. So this boiler is also known as timed boiler. But in the case of water tube boiler, the steam capacity of steam holding is lesser, so it requires continuous operation. Thank you. So this is the difference between water tube boiler and steam tube boiler.